If your Epic Games title is crashing, not launching, or acting a little broken, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you the fastest way to repair a game in the Epic Games Launcher. This is the easiest fix to try before reinstalling, and it can save you a lot of time, bandwidth, and frustration. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick game and software guides. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open the Epic Games Launcher on your computer and head over to your library. This is where all of your installed games are listed, so take a moment to find the game you want to repair. Once you've located it, look for the three dots next to the game entry. Click those three dots to open the menu, and from there, choose Verify. Epic Games will now start checking the game files for missing, corrupted, or damaged data. This process is basically a repair scan, and it helps restore any files that may have been altered or broken. Depending on the size of the game and the speed of your system, this may take a few minutes, so give it time to finish. While it's running, it's best not to close the launcher or interrupt the process. Once the verification is complete, Epic Games will automatically repair anything that needs to be fixed. After that, you can launch the game again and see if the problem has been resolved. In many cases, this simple step is enough to fix crashes, loading issues, update problems, or strange in-game errors. And if the game still isn't working properly after verifying, you may want to restart the launcher or your PC and try again. But for most users, this built-in repair option is the quickest and safest solution. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss more easy troubleshooting tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.